Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in the video friends, I will share you beautiful patchwork crafts ideas. So I hope you will like my videos. So let's start today's video friends. First idea is patchwork. Back idea is take small fabric pieces, cut them into square, now stitch them together, make a big fabric pieces, cut back shape, add lining inside, stitch the side and add handle. Your patchwork bag is very simple and useful. And friends, next idea is patchwork table runners. I will make a patchwork table runner. This is simple and look very beautiful. Take different fabric pieces, choose color that look good together. Now cut the fabric into rectangle or square. Keep the size same. Next, arrange the pieces in a line. And friends, make a nice color pattern. Now start stitching them together and join piece by piece slowly. After stitching around the fabric, this will make it neat and red. Now take a long plain fabric for the back side and friends, friends, now turn it inside out. Your patchwork table runner is ready. You can use it on your dining table. It's make your home look stylish and colorful. Try this easy idea at home. I hope you really like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest update videos. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you.